Yeah, so cop the Air Jordan 3 in the Neapolitan colorway. We're gonna go over it, see the specs, look at some of the pros, look at some of the cons. But yeah, are they a cop or drop? Let's find out. What's up, everybody? As always, I hope you guys are having a beautiful, blessed, and a lovely day. If you are new to the channel, I'm Jordan, a sneaker collector local to the Las Vegas area. Here on the channel, we do sneaker unboxings, sneaker reviews, and informational tips about sneakers. So if you're a sneakerhead like myself, make sure to drop a sub. We are currently on the road to 850 subs, but our bigger goal is 1K. And when we do hit 1K, we're gonna have a giveaway, and you guys are not going to want to miss out on that. But for today's video, we have the Air Jordan 3 in the Neapolitan / dark mocha colorway. I'm super excited for these. I heard that the leather quality was pretty good, and we also get a pink Jordan hang tag, which I think is pretty sick. So let's waste no time and dive right into this. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and take a quick look at the box. We have white box, flip open lid. We can see the signature Air Jordan Jumpman in gold foil right here. We have the size tag, which is size 11 women's, which is equal to 9.5 men's. Another gold Jumpman on the back side, and nothing too much underneath. As always, I will give you guys a first look. We are seeing some white paper with gold 23s all over. Ooh. Okay. Let's see. Yo, my bad. Like I was saying, that pink hang tag. Oh, dope. Love the hits of pink on this shoe. Really clean, and the leather looks different too. Alrighty, so pulling these out of the box and feeling them for a second, I can definitely feel the difference in quality of the leather. Comparing these to something like a Racer Blue 3 or a Cardinal 3, I can definitely feel the difference. It feels great. It is definitely not cream of the crop leather, but I am definitely happy with the standard of leather that we did receive on this pair. Hopefully in the future we will see more pairs resembling this quality, but let's go ahead and dive into some of the history of the Air Jordan 3 before breaking down this whole shoe. So in 1988, the Air Jordan 3 released for $100. It was the first ever shoe designed by the GOAT, Tinker Hatfield. It also featured the first ever viewable air bubble. This does have 2 air bubbles, but you cannot see the second one. It also is the first ever Air Jordan to feature the Air Jordan logo on the tongue. Then later we would see the Jordan Air come on a few more pairs. Then we did receive the elephant print for the first time. I also do love the story behind the Air Jordan 3, because the Air Jordan 3 and the whole rest of the line may never have happened if Michael didn't re-sign with Nike. And if you guys don't know the story, you may be like, well, why would Michael not re-sign to Nike? After designing the Air Jordan 1 and 2, Peter Moore, along with a Nike VP, left to create their own brand called Van Grack. What the hell kind of name is that? But they started doing their own thing, and then they also wanted Jordan because Jordan's contract with Nike was also coming to an end. So they had a shot, and Nike was still working on designing the Air Jordan 3. They gave the task to Tinker Hatfield, and he was working tirelessly to get it right, make sure everything would be to Mike's liking. And when the day of the reveal came, Michael didn't show up. He was out playing golf and chatting it up with Peter Moore and the VP, and he did show up to the meeting, but he was 4 hours late. I don't know, maybe traffic was kind of heavy. He showed up irritated, but when he saw the 3, he fell in love, and Van Grack was left in the past, and he re-signed with Nike, and the Air Jordan 3 came about. So really just love that whole story. So that's just the short story of it, but boom, here we are. 34 years later, you're watching a video on an 18-year-old reviewing the latest Air Jordan 3 sneaker colorway. So everything is right in life. Let's go ahead and dive into the details now. Starting from the bottom, we see a variety of colors. We have this off-white, we have the pink, we have the dark mocha, Jordan logo in red. Then the midsole, we have the beautiful, outstanding, stunning air bubble. We have the off-white on the midsole with the hit of the Neapolitan pink. The color blocking resembles the WC3, which is the white cement 3. And then moving to the elephant print, we have the hits of dark mocha. I really love that colorway. This colorway is very similar to the Mocha 3s that we did see a few years ago. I slept on those. I wasn't really a big fan of them. In all honesty, I would like this colorway more than this just because it has the pink in it. But I think both colorways are solid. On this release, we do have the dark mocha with the Jordan Air. And then if you guys don't know, pretty much for any Air Jordan 3, 4, you can go online and find tabs that you can do yourself if you're pretty craftsy, which I always thought was cool. I've never done it, but I just wanted to let you guys know that. Nowadays we don't do it often, but I would like to applaud Nike for throwing this leather on the Air Jordan 3 Neapolitan. I think it feels great. I know it's definitely not the best, but I'm just thankful that they at least put this on it. We are laced up with some white laces. These do not come with any extra laces. I think some pink laces would actually pull this whole thing together, but I am satisfied with the white laces. We have this beautiful Jordan Jumpman logo in pink. Behind the tongue we have some pink. The sock liner is white. We do receive a pink insole with a dark mocha Jordan Jumpman. I remember in middle school, kids were getting these and selling them for like 10 bucks. I was like, yo, that's crazy. That's a lot for just a hang tag. You definitely got to do a smell test. Not bad. I'd say the only shoe that beats the Air Jordan 3 smell test is, of course, the Air Jordan 1, which is over there. I'm definitely satisfied with this purchase. I'd like to see how these age. I'd like to see how these crease over time. I wonder how the leather will react. Overall, I'm very glad to have these in the collection. Let me know your thoughts on the Air Jordan 3 in the Neapolitan colorway. Were these a cop? Were these a drop? We are still on the road to 850 subs, so if you haven't dropped a sub, maybe think about dropping one. Yeah, giveaway at 1K. As always, hope you guys have a beautiful, blessed, and lovely day. Thank you for spending your time here. We got it. We definitely, since it is Air Jordan 3, so going to the uppers, you guys can do size, so this colorway does